So hi everyone, today I'll be explaining to you how to create and publish a website using the Zapify IO website builder. So next is you're going to go to sites, then websites and click new website and choose a template or start from scratch. Use the drag and drop editor to add sections, text, images, forms, and buttons. Click publish to make website live on your domain or on Zapify IO domain subdomain. So for that step is you're going to locate your sites which is found in the left corner. Then once you press site it automatically goes to funnels, then find the website, then click on website. Then once you're in website, click the new website. Then it's either magbuhat ka og bag-o or start from scratch or from templates. So atong buhaton is magbuhat ta og from blank or from scratch. Atong pangalan is Flow Digital. So Flow Digital, then create. Then once naka-create na ka, you can also add page. Then once you add your page like uh, landing page. So money mong landing page. Then add na po kag isa like home page. Home page. Then you can also edit this. So once you are here, you can also add a drag and drop edit. So pwede mo mag-add diri og mga butang para kumbaga panindot ninyo ang inyong section. Then once na done ka ani, you can click publish para on siya or magamit nimo siya sa imong domain or active siya sa imong domain or sa imong Shopify sub Shopify IO subdomain. So diha nimo siya makita. So if mag-edit na ka ni, pwede mo to siya ipang-publish. Pag ma-publish nimo siya, diretso na siya diri. Then pag after ana, directly reflect na siya sa imong domain. So mo lang to siya. Thank you.